I've been working my star stitch going back and forth, and when I get to this row, it's looking really weird. And that's because I have made probably the most common mistake that you can do when you're working the stitch, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Up till now, I have kept my stitch count across the row consistent at 17. That's 15 and 2 selvages. You can see there are a lot more stitches than that. And that is because you can see I worked a star stitch correctly here. There's my yarn pulled over. I worked my yarn over. Then I forgot to do it. Then I worked another yarn over. Oops, didn't work my star stitch, and ending there. You do not have to rip back when you do this. You can fix it on the subsequent row. So I'm going to set aside my light yarn. I'm going to work my dark yarn. And again, I want to pick that up under and then over. Now, normally I would just pull back, but I've got some repair work to do. So I'm going to work my selvages there. We're going to purl back. Okay, these are the 3 stitches that I should have worked as star stitch and did not. And all you're going to do, keep your stitches on the left-hand needle, go to that 3rd stitch, put your right needle in there, and pull it over and off your needle. There, you have just recreated that little cluster that you should have done on the right side row. So now that you've fixed those stitches and they're the way they should be, go ahead and purl back. There's my yarn over. Oh, you can see here again, I did not work my star stitch over those 3 stitches. So again, just getting my yarn out of the way here. Take that 3rd stitch on your right-hand needle, pull up and over and off. You do want to be careful you don't slip either of these stitches off. But again, as you can see, there is the cluster that you should have done that you have now repaired. Yarn to the front, purl those stitches. There's the yarn over. This one I did work correctly, so I'm just going to go continue purling back. And uh-oh. There again is one that I did not correct. Going to pick up that 3rd stitch. Make sure I do not split my plies. Sharp needles are your friend here. Bring it up, over, and off. Yarn to the front. Purl those. There is my final yarn over. And then just finish the row. So when I turn this, all my yarn ends are a little wonky here. You can see I have made that, 20-something stitches that I had. I have reduced them back to 15. My star stitch is looking neat and tidy, and I am ready to work that dark row back. So that is how to repair your star stitch. You do not need to rip out. If you find that you have not worked those stitches, don't panic. You can catch them on the following row. So thanks for watching.